why should you move from being a creative to become a creative entrepreneur? As a creative, a lot of us are doing well, but sometimes you can stay at the level of subsistence. But if you want to move to the level of relevance, and especially because of the context of our economic challenges in Africa in terms of unemployment and the rest, it's better to step up. And to step up, you have to move from just that creative conclave to the entrepreneurial side. That's the first thing. You don't really have a choice. We are not living in Europe where you can say, I want to be a creative all my life. I don't want to be an entrepreneur. The second key thing is that if you want to make that move, is a mindset. It's a mindset, which means you are moving from your comfort zone to a place where you're going to be accountable, to a place where you're going to need to be more rigorous in your decision making, where you need to engage processes, you need to engage different flows of activities that will put you more in the open. And therefore you have to consider that very intentionally. The benefit of doing that, at the end of the day, the upside is very huge. And that was why we started by showing the global figures from the creative industry, and then the Nigerian figures from the creative industry, to show you that you're playing in a big space and there's an opportunity to be big. I think if you look at the size of the creative industry, the creative sector is the second highest employer of labor in Nigeria. The reason for that is that you have to collaborate. You can't do things on your own. You're doing a shoot, you have a crew, and then you have management experts, finance, and the rest of them. So I think it comes natural to this industry to collaborate. The challenge with collaboration is you must have a protocol for collaboration. What is a protocol? Am I just a freelancer working with you? Am I a full staff working with you? Am I an artist? Am I a model? Am I a supplier? In each of this, there must be a protocol. Am I signing a contract? What is due to me? What is due to you? Who owns the intellectual property that we produce? What is my input in that? So all of those things. So I find that collaboration is not a problem. One, there's ego. But secondly, is also that we don't embrace the protocol for collaboration. I just don't want to collaborate for the sake of collaborating. But clearly, you have to collaborate because you can't do it. You can't carry the camera and then run the interview and do all of that at the same time. So